I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you now. Here. Okay, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery. So long. This link, and your contact details in this link. Same with, you can add your map there. And if you have any other services that you want to add, you can use link, this link, and this link for the about link about the company. Okay, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.